a young Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak were working on something revolutionary, the Apple II, one of the first widely adopted home computers. Behind closed doors, researchers at Xerox PARC, led by visionaries like Alan Kay and Douglas Engelbart, developed a game-changing concept, the Graphical User Interface, GUI. It allowed users to interact with computers through icons, windows, and a mouse, rather than typing text commands. In 1983, Apple introduced Lisa, its first computer with a GUI, but it was expensive and commercial failure. However, in 1984, the Macintosh changed everything. With a sleek interface and easy-to-use design, the Mac popularized the